Hello, grade 8s. Welcome to term 2 by this stage on the website. Very excited. And let's run along with some patterns here. And let's consider a few patterns and see how we can work with them. So let's switch out here. Cool. So here are patterns. And we're going to say, what about if we've got 2, 4, 6, 8, and already I'm sure you're in your head going, yeah, I know where this pattern's going, and so you should. Well, from there we're just going 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I feel like this is a pattern we've been using for quite a while. Okay, so there we go, easy. 10, 12, 14, 16, and so it would continue and on and on and on. So let's go from there and say, but what actually are we doing here? How do we know that it's going to do that? So, well, to get from one term to the next term, what are we doing? Well, from that one to that one, looks like the thing that we're doing each time is just adding 2, adding 2. So at any stage to get from one term to the next term, you know you just need to add 2. So if we do this on a number line, there's our very wonky number line, and we said we started with 2, 4, 6, 8, and then we're asked to continue the pattern. And we said, well, what are we doing each time? We're just going plus 2, plus 2, plus 2. So to continue this pattern, we just go to the next line and say, well, if we added 2, we would have got to 10. If we kept adding 2, we get to 12, and so it goes. So let's consider another pattern. Let's say that you're given the starting point 23, 20, 17, 14, and asked to continue the pattern. So you look here and you go, well, this time it looks like we're going down, so we're subtracting. So we've got from 23 to 20, subtracting 3, subtracting 3, subtracting 3, and so this is going to continue. So we could go, well, that's going to go 11, 8, 5, 2. What's going to happen after 2? Going to need our integers, but let's have our number line handy to look at this. So this time we've got our number line and we're given 23 and we're going backwards. So we're going to the left. So we're going to 20, then to 17, then 14, and then we're asked to continue it. So we knew that we were subtracting 3 each time, subtracting 3, subtracting 3, subtracting 3. So we happily went 11, 8, 5, 2. Where to from there? Well, hopefully you've got one of your lovely rulers handy and just looking, okay, well, you're going down by 3 each time. And let's continue our number line here. So it's there, there, there. And what happens if we keep going down by 3? Well, 2 minus 3, we must have gone past 1, past 0, and hit minus 1. And so it would go. Another minus 3 would get us to negative 4. Okay, cool. So we should have good handle on what's happening with patterns. Now, let's, as our final thing for today, we're just going to say, what happens if I describe the pattern to you and you had to work it out? So we're going to use these same starting patterns, these ones here, but I'm going to describe them this time. So I'm going to say, you're given a pattern and we're told that it starts at 2 and you must add 2 every time. So how do you work out what the first 5 terms are? Well, it starts at 2. So we're going, okay, it starts at 2 and we add 2 each time. So plus 2 gives us 4. Plus 2 gives us 6. And so you could write 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Continues, but I've just asked for the first 5 terms. Second one, let's say that you are given the description that, let's actually make it more interesting. The second term is 20 and you subtract 3 each time. And another way of saying subtract 3 each time is this could have been said, well, the second term is 20, but we're going to add negative 3 each time. Because if we're subtracting 3, it's the same as adding negative 3. And if you've got the balloons and weights in your head, still well done. But if you don't, as long as we know we're doing it. So you're given this description. The second term is 20 this time. So the second term is 20, and there's 1 this side, and we're going to write the next few terms after that. Well, we're adding minus 3 or we're subtracting 3. So we're going to go 17, 14, 11, and then it's going to continue. But we've got this first term. So if we're subtracting 3 each time, or we're adding negative 3 each time we're going forwards, then if we went backwards, we should add 3. So we've got 23. Does this still work? 23, 20, 17, 14. Cool. That seems to work for me. So that's all I've got for you for today. If you looked around the website, watch the video. There's some exercises to do on the website, the workbooks there. Please do them in your books neatly. You don't have to hand anything today. I will see you tomorrow on Friday at whatever time our lesson is. I don't have it on hand. And we'll meet up there, we'll touch base, and we'll go from there. So, yeah, look forward to seeing you then.